Have you ever played chess against a computer? It's a fascinating experience, isn't it? The way the computer anticipates your moves, almost as if it can read your mind. It's not just a game, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. Did it feel like you were facing a human opponent? Many people find it uncanny how these machines can mimic human thought processes. This is because they are powered by sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence designed to learn and adapt. We are living in an age where machines are developing the ability to think and learn just like us. This is not just limited to games like chess. AI is making strides in various fields, from healthcare to finance, and even in creative arts. This is the exciting and rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries by automating tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and providing insights that were previously unimaginable. AI is no longer science fiction, it's here, and it's changing everything. From virtual assistants that help us manage our daily tasks, to smart home devices that make our lives more convenient, AI is becoming an indispensable part of our world. From the apps on our phones to the cars we drive, AI is becoming an integral part of our lives. Imagine a world where your car can drive you to work while you relax or catch up on emails. This is not a distant dream, it's happening now. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. It involves machine learning, where systems can learn from data and neural networks which mimic the human brain structure. Let's delve deeper and unlock its secrets. Join us as we explore the intricacies of AI, its potential, and the ethical considerations that come with it. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Imagine a computer that can understand your questions, learn from its mistakes, and even make decisions based on the information it gathers. That's AI in action. AI empowers machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, pattern recognition, and even language translation. It's like giving machines a brain, enabling them to learn, adapt, and evolve. The dream of creating thinking machines has fascinated scientists and mathematicians for decades. One of the earliest pioneers was Alan Turing, a British mathematician who is considered the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. Turing's groundbreaking work in the 1930s and 1940s laid the foundation for modern computers and AI. He proposed the Turing test, a benchmark still used today to assess a machine's ability to exhibit human-like intelligence. Today, we encounter AI in two primary forms, narrow AI and general AI. These two categories represent the current state and the future potential of artificial intelligence, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks. It operates under a limited set of constraints and is highly specialized. For instance, a robot assembling products on a factory line is a perfect example of narrow AI in action. Think of Siri on your iPhone or the personalized recommendations you get on Netflix. These systems are built to handle specific functions like voice recognition or content recommendation, and they do so exceptionally well. These are examples of narrow AI, trained on vast data sets to excel in specific areas. The more data they process, the better they become at their designated tasks. This training involves feeding the AI massive amounts of information, allowing it to identify patterns and make predictions. General AI, or strong AI, is the stuff of science fiction, for now. Unlike narrow AI, general AI aims to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It's the kind of AI you see in movies, capable of understanding and reasoning like a human being. This would be a machine with human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. Imagine an AI that can not only drive a car but also write a novel, diagnose diseases, and even create art. While still in its infancy, general AI holds the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. Researchers are working tirelessly to overcome the challenges and limitations that currently prevent us from achieving true general AI. The future could see AI seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, transforming industries, healthcare, education, and beyond. You might be surprised to realize just how often you interact with AI daily. Unlocking your phone with facial recognition, getting driving directions from your GPS, or even filtering spam from your inbox, all these tasks are powered by AI. Smart homes are becoming increasingly common with AI-powered devices like thermostats that adjust to your preferences and security systems that can recognize familiar faces. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. The impact of AI extends far beyond our personal lives. It's transforming entire industries. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and even assist surgeons during complex procedures. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends to make investment recommendations, detect fraudulent transactions, and automate trading processes. Even the entertainment industry is leveraging AI to create realistic special effects, generate music, and personalize content recommendations. As with any transformative technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it could automate tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job losses in certain sectors. However, it's important to remember that AI also has the potential to create new job opportunities in fields such as AI development, data science, and machine learning. It's crucial to approach AI development responsibly, ensuring that its benefits are shared broadly and that potential risks are mitigated. Understanding AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In today's rapidly advancing world, artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the way we communicate to how we work, and even how we entertain ourselves, AI is influencing every aspect of our existence. It's crucial for us to grasp the fundamentals of AI not just as passive consumers, but as active participants in its development and application. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's our responsibility to educate ourselves about its potential benefits and challenges. This means staying informed about the latest advancements, understanding the underlying technologies, and recognizing the societal impacts. Attending conferences, participating in seminars, and engaging with online courses are just a few ways we can stay ahead of the curve. By doing so, we not only enhance our own knowledge but also contribute to a more informed and prepared society. We need to engage in thoughtful discussions about the ethical implications of AI and work together to create guidelines that ensure its development aligns with human values. These discussions should include diverse perspectives encompassing different cultures, backgrounds, and expertise. By fostering an inclusive dialogue, we can address potential biases, ensure fairness, and promote transparency in AI systems. It's not just about preventing harm, but also about maximizing the positive impact AI can have on society. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's something we actively shape through our choices and actions. Every decision we make, from the design of algorithms to the implementation of AI in various sectors, influences the trajectory of AI development. By prioritizing ethical considerations and human-centric values, we can steer AI towards outcomes that benefit everyone. This proactive approach requires collaboration across disciplines, industries, and borders, ensuring that AI serves the greater good. By embracing a spirit of curiosity and collaboration, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter and more equitable future for all. This means not only focusing on technological advancements but also on the societal changes they bring. Community events, public discussions, and collaborative projects can showcase the positive impacts of AI, inspiring more people to get involved. Together, we can ensure that AI becomes a tool for empowerment, driving innovation and progress while upholding the values that define our humanity. This is just the beginning of our exploration into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries and applications that will fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. If you want to learn more about how AI is shaping our world, subscribe to AI Insight for more educational content. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us on this incredible journey of discovery.